Hi everyone. So in the previous video we have executed this program. Okay. So in this video we are going to print another pattern. One new pattern we are going to print. Okay. So let me draw that. So in the first row we are going to print 1. In the second row we are going to print like 2 and 3. Then 4, 5, 6. Then 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. So we are going to print the numbers that is going to increase by 1. Okay, so in the first row we are going to print 1, in the second row we are going to print 2 and 3, in the third row 4, 5, 6, and then fourth row like 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so this is the pattern we're going to print. Again we need two for-loops. One is to count the number of rows and another is to count the number of symbols that we are going to print in each row. Okay, so in this situation, okay, uh, you can observe that the value is increasing by 1, right? So first 1, then 2, then 3. Okay, so for that what we are going to do is like we are going to initialize a variable. Like let's say we are using variable a. Okay, and we will put the value like 1, and after printing the value of a we will increase the value of a by 1. Okay, like a plus plus. Okay, so this will be our principle. Okay, so let's execute it in the program. Okay, so first of all, this is the I for loop that is used to count the number of rows, and this is the j for loop that is used to count the number of symbols that we are going to print, right? So before that we are going to initialize a value. Let's say a. We are taking a as a variable, and 1 is the initial value of a. Okay, and instead of using I, we are going to print the value of a, right? So we're going to print the value of a, and after printing the value of a we are going to increase the value by 1, right? So like a plus plus, like this we can write, or a equal to a plus 1 we can write. The meaning is same, right? So just control S and run as Java application. That's it. Let's say if you want to add a space between the digits, okay, then we just have to uh, add that in the print statement. That's it. Control S, run as Java application. We got the output, right? So I hope you can also print the same output. Okay, if you got any issue or any problem during the pattern printing, then you can write in the comment box. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.